Hello everybody, this is Edward and welcome to a simple Maya tutorial on modeling a head. This is sort of the head that we're gonna create. Just wanted to put it out there so you see the sort of where we're the final results. So this is just a very simple template that outlines the primary loops and the primary edges. The proper way, usually when you're modeling, is to definitely either just sketch out, do a good sketch of your character, and then go ahead and basically outline the wireframe in a sketchbook, and then bring it in, because even though there is a very similar edge structure that most characters have, each character could be a bit more customized, and there might be some variation on the edge structure. But if you're not planning to do that, if you just simply want to have something to follow as a step-by-step process where you build the basic head, here it is. So we're gonna create a cube. Let me pull that up right here, and we're going to delete one of the sides right here, just so we are modeling simply one half of that character. We're gonna center our vertices. So remember that this is the little script that I have, move minus a minus x 0, so that centers all the vertices or whatever you have selected along the x-axis. And then we're gonna we're gonna do a couple of extrudes here, just to quickly get the basic head shape. So notice that we now have the faces in the middle, and let's also create one center edge right here. This is what we're gonna use for the nose and any features that are kind of following the middle part. Let's quickly jump into our side view and give our head a little bit better, more refined shape right here. And of course, here in the perspective, let's just make it more volumetric, more rounded, less square looking. We can start spreading out these edges because they don't need to be that tight in the back of the skull. Right here, this is where we're going to be extruding the neck. Let's kind of rotate this up or move that up. Okay, so this is sort of our final or intermediate results here. Let's also go ahead and do our duplicate special as an instance with a negative scale in 1, negative 1 in scale X, so we can kind of right away see the full shape here. So what we're seeing here is this. This is the nose, and this area right here, this is where we're going to be creating the loop for the mouse and around the nose, kind of like this. Let's bring that further up, and let's go ahead and build that right away. Let's grab our split tool, and we're going to come around with a couple of with our split tool here, and we're gonna be splitting all the way around. Notice that I can place a point in the middle of the face, and the way I am doing this is there is an option. If we double click on the split polygon tool, there is an option split only from edges, and that I have unchecked. So that allows me to place additional vertices in the middle of the face. So this would actually be, we can just kind of move that all the way in, because this is gonna be our mouse shape. And we can bring that a little bit closer. So it's important that we adjust our points as soon as we can. Okay, now let's go ahead and identify our nose. So the nose is kind of gonna start right here, and it's gonna keep on going up until it reaches the eye. and here it's actually gonna get connected to the corner right here. So this is how we effectively set up the side plane of the nose, just like this. And if we split right here in the middle, we are turning effectively we're turning this face into a quad, and we can actually define the tip of the nose just like this. So this line actually needs to be higher up because this is where the bridge of the nose is. This is where the bone part is. Okay, and we can kind of clean this up a little bit. Here is going to be another loop that comes around from the nose. And we might as well do another loop right here. What's happening? Oh, got extra point here. Just another edge loop right here, so we can right away separate the tip of the nose from the rest. Okay, now let's go ahead and put in few edges here to fix our eye right here. So the way that we're gonna create an eye is that it's going to, we can actually go straight this way, and that's going to connect to the to the ear. So here we're actually going to be turning this way and this way, and let's go ahead and go right into the corner, or actually we will come around this way and go straight into the mouse, which we could refine right away. Make it rounded, move this. This is our jaw, and these 2 points we are going to merge. So we've got this edge just kind of flipping around. This is going to be the base of the ear. Okay. And now we're going to continue on and create more sections for the eye. We're going to continue looping this eye around and back into the nose, just like that. So here we've got a nice quad. This is sort of the top of the eye. There. This edge will go straight through the ear, and we actually need an additional edge here to define the back of the head. And this edge from this corner is going to go and flow right into the mouse. There we go. It definitely needs much more adjustments here and there, and we need to add one more loop to define the nose a little bit better. So from this corner we're actually gonna come into the nose just this way, and this edge, this triangle here, will get opened up and flow right into the mouse. There we go. So at this particular point we can just grab this eye, extrude it, grab the mouse, extrude it, grab the ear, and extrude our ears. We're gonna do it very roughly here, kind of this way. Let's rotate it and do one more extrude of these faces. this way. So that's a very basic edge structure for the head, and we'll may do a little bit more refinement in the next